Hey guys, this is Mark Stone, only on YouTube, the Foxy Field, the big fox. I'm just gonna keep looking at the fox for a minute then. So yeah, I've got to go for a walk, keep myself nice and warm. But now, it's a bit quiet outside, so. Right. Yeah, you. So yeah, so a lot of building sites about these days now. People keep walking around these puddles, and it's like, well, you're allowed to walk through it because they're not that deep. But some people that are wearing a suit, but they go, oh, why are you wearing them when you know it's been raining? That's why you get new ones and get some new tread on them. Yeah, right. It's like, if you don't want wet feet, just put some best trainers on. If you ain't got the better trainers, go and get some. Because there's no point walking around that different walk. You know that there's going to be puddles everywhere. It's like water, yeah? Just down there, there's a stream. And there's a prison pond not far from behind me. Even that's everywhere. It's like even making like puddle there. Yeah. I'll walk down that in a second with this path, yeah? Even in this path, it's gone, so you can actually have a steady walk down to this without slipping or anything. But yeah, I was thinking about ordering some stuff. I have to put it on my boots, and it gives me a better tread. But yeah, but I don't really sometimes the water how it comes through, and it makes that little like mesh. If I go down here to this tree down here, yeah, you tell like there's been quite a lot of people come down these paths, like just walk on grass. Yeah, because it's created that much water there. It's actually making a little stream, making a little mess there. But yeah, walk down here, but yeah, because it's like with that tree, yeah. See, that's all dirt, and then most of the water like moving back. It's like if you've got lemonade and cola or something like a fizzy poppy, you shake it and you got all but fizzes, just like that. So, and there's a building site what's the other side of this edge. Yeah, and it's crazy. Even if there's a little dream here, and that goes all the way, like, this side. So it's like one stream there, one here, but there's a building site there, and it's already like a puddle all the way there. It's all the way down because they're building a new housing estate, I think. So, and I know when I get so far down this path anyway, it couldn't crash anyway. But it would have been nice for cancer could come and like make the ground uneven, don't make it even. Well, no, tell cancer make it uneven. You always make it uneven. Yeah, you raise it up, like it says, oh, it's all water's coming from there, like that. It would be nice if you can close all the footpath. Yeah. And literally, if I said, alright, if it's coming from there, let's dig a trench. Like, dig it so far, like, if I said, say for example, we'll leak it, actually, I'll show you for example down here.
Captain, incoming message.
So,
Incoming message.
it's up to you. So yeah, what would be nice with our state is to do an our state. So yeah, what would be nice is the council could do something where it stops the water going over the top of the path and then it sinks it a bit. What would be nice is like the council could do it in certain areas. So like, is that trench there? It could dig that bit more further down because I know it rises up, including that bit down there. But technically that bit's out of the way anyway really. But it's like with this, when they're building something there, building like a dome type thing. Yeah, where you see how it's coming up there. Someone's coming from that bit field there, and it comes here, and then it goes over there. But it would be nice for the council to dig something underneath, and make the water go underneath, and it would be nice. But no, I think it just comes through here. It comes from L, and I know there's a pipe. Yeah, there's a pipe there. And then it does go over there. But yeah. But that's the problem, you see. That's what lets a lot of people down, because the council, where it's this supposed to be a public path where people can like, come down, doesn't matter whether it is, and people still want to come down. That's the only one thing what's putting them off. Where the ground, like, especially on roads, people paying road tax. There's running potholes everywhere. Some people don't bother paying it because there's no point. But then I know it's probably some council says no, everybody's paid for road tax, then we could cover the roads. But it's sometimes some workers where they just put it in, stands on their feet and go. There's somewhere to put it in and use a pole where square and then go. But then there's somewhere to do it with the machine. But you need something better than that. Like, put a bit down, squish it down, then put more on, squish it down, and then you know it's flat. Because then if you just put it all in and then flatten it, the car's going over it, it's going to make a dent still. Then you have to go in again and fill it in again. So, but yeah. And it's like this footpath, it don't help where water comes down, and it does that tip path a lot. It's like, yeah, look, it's like, so, there's a bit of drain there, but it's not good enough when it comes so far down, then it comes onto the path. So it's the best way to come down where it dig and make it deeper. And then just use that bit what you dig out, like that side, or that stream is higher than this side. When you dig it, put it on this side, and then just spread it out a bit, and it creates like it goes like that. Then the water don't come over here. But then it creates any water coming over here, because it's like this comes downhill, and you think about, oh, we can't stop the water from coming over here. You can. Dig another trench that's out the footpath. Dig it back so far, and put it over that side. And you can have flowers growing through it. Maintain it. Maintain the footpath. And you go, oh, we tried that, but if we did that, then the footpath can go like, with the stones can start cracking and it goes, yeah? Simple. Just dig up the path and redo it again. And you want some more ideas, ask the local people around here. It's not that hard really. So, yeah. So we had quite a lot of rain for the past 2 months. Some days it's been alright. There was one day in this month, in April, I was just walking around with my shirt off, because that's how warm it was. And some people gone on holiday and they said, it's raining, don't care. So wait for me. Some people are imagining me coming on holiday with them this month. What's gone? So I'm not going because I know what's going to happen. You realise there's other people that are not coming down, there's an argument. But I know because of me checking out weather, my end's a lot better. Since I can keep nice and warm and keep out of trouble, but nah, doesn't matter what I do. Still get it either way. It's like what I said before. You can't escape from people arguing, attitude. People always keep thinking that they're right and wrong. Even when they're wrong, they always want to know that they're right. Butterflies. Flies in my mouth as I'm talking. Yeah. Even though that much rain there, yeah? Got that much rain up showed, yeah? Who's there? It's already making there. You know, you probably know it's not 100% clean. But I bet you can still drink that. I'll be surprising. Sounds like there's a bit of water fall over there somewhere. So yeah. Yeah, right where it comes to here, the only liquids. See, this is what I don't mind, yeah. It's come out, yeah. Even when I'm on my own, I just like the water when it rains and it's going down places, then it goes empty. Of course, attention to my son. Let's see what's up there. Better where people keep walking up. You know, I keep looking at it. Right, Stone Discovery. Oh, but it's disappeared, huh? That's weird. But I think I just spotted it the other day. know there were some kids over there once, and I know there were trees over there. But it's probably some homeless people coming down here, so can't really have that, you know, keep the nose clean. So, see, around my area, sometimes you're not safe where you go, day or night. Yeah, because I've seen some kids the other day. Look. That tree. That tree. That tree. Yeah, that tree. They went there. And I thought, oh, there's something there, but I know the other day when I went by, there was some tents up there when I walked by here over there. But yeah, but stuff like that, yeah, that happens everywhere. You go, oh, there's never people do that around my area where there's pulled a lady back. What area you haven't checked? Because a lot of people do that these days. Okay. Water coming down here, like that, and it goes into there. Yeah. So yeah, we had that much rain. So yeah. Yeah, so I thought to do a video, just like, discovering what the hell, why it's raining. So yeah, just moved on with my life with, you know, being in a relationship. Trying to sort stuff out, still friends with some of my exes, there's somewhere they're not. There's somewhere they're texting me, they want to sort stuff out then. And then they're going from like, you know, sorting stuff out, then they're telling people, and then they're telling me. Then they go, oh, you should have told him. What? But yeah, I just can't stand with people, the girls these days, where they lie and cheat on me these days, and people causing me stress, and it's like, don't need it. I wasted my time once before when I went on a stress course. I went on an anger management course. It did technically help. I tried to, because I still got some more videos on it. It's on my laptop. So I rewatched it, then it calms me down a bit. Good. Well, listen to those opinions and advice. And then I listen to myself. And what I care about in my life is myself. Then my family. If I got a girlfriend, then I care about them friends. But if I said I had a wife, then, you know, I'll class it as family. I care about my family. But I haven't got a wife yet. But yeah, then if I got a girlfriend, I care about it more. Then friends. So yeah. Alright, drink in a minute because I'm going to dry coat. So yeah, so I've just been keeping myself occupied and helping some drippos, travellers, helping my next door neighbour, helping my family out, helping myself out, get stuff organised, get stuff sorted out. Then, well, some people are like, they want to sort stuff out with me, but then they're too busy with their love life. And then they come to me and talk to me, and then the next minute, they're now in arguments and saying, why are you talking to him for? They're going, oh well, I'm back friends with Mark, so I don't really matter what they say. Well, that's true. everything. That's one of my system. That's one of my system. Yeah, I was enjoying the above it doing it way back. But you'll probably have a bit fifth lifetime I done one. So yeah, it's like some people going, oh, why are you talking to him for? But then the lie said, what? Just be honest. He said, oh, I just sorted stuff out with Mark and that's it. Doesn't matter what other people say. It's like me. I got some people who I'm talking to, and some people say that I got friends, I got exes and family. Why are you talking to them for when they, of course, they use stuff? Well, it's only because they hear stuff, but then they want to sort stuff out. Well, they want to sort stuff out, but the people are moaning at them. So what? Nobody can't tell us what to do, what not to do. You can ask us about how they feel about it. But certainly it's my life. So. And if they want to sort stuff out, that's up to them. That's it. If they want to get together again, friends, as a big family, that's alright. Because technically, it's like in life, it's arguments. Arguments is just arguments. Stress is just stresses. If you lose a friend, you lose a friend. Because it'll come at some point, you might be back friends with them again. You might be friends again. It might be one day that you're in trouble. You might need them. Whereas they don't want to, well, that's up to them. Right, since what I seen just back then, getting a bit worried, so I'm gonna put some music on and have a steady walk home. I will get some entertainment in, so unless you follow me on TikTok, that's Sir Mark Stone. Whew!